Hello everyone, I'm a second year PGDM student. Hi ma'am. I have a few questions for you. What technical and analytical skills should students keep developing during the PGDM to build successful careers in US taxation? I think the practical skills and the analytical skills what are important are, the ability to be inquisitive, the ability to be curious, make sure that you're analyzing all your financial statements properly, you absorb your subject matter properly, and I think knowledge gives you the power to think. All right. So if you understand your concepts, you gain practical experience, you work on your case studies, you will automatically and gradually develop that critical thinking. So the next question is, with AI automating many compliances activities, how do you see the role of US taxes professionals evolving? Like which skills will continue to be in high demand? So I think while AI is great, human judgment can never be replaced. AI is definitely, you should develop knowledge from AI tools. AI continues to help us and we continue to use AI to automate our processes, which are repetitive tasks, right? But having said that, AI can still is subject to errors and you have to use your human judgment. You have to use your knowledge of your tax code, of your, client's business knowledge. AI can never replace human interaction, right? So you combine a client service is a combination of optimum utilization of human judgment and AI both together. And one thing I would like to mention is, use AI very responsibly because you're handling a client data which is extremely sensitive and extremely confidential. So the last one is what are the common mistakes or knowledge gaps you notice among fresh graduates entering US tax roles, and how can students better prepare themselves during the PGDM course also? Because we want to make our youth employable, right? We don't just want to have them just mug up a few books and you're into the industry. Industry and books and your professional course are extremely different. So while you prepare, while you're, this is for somebody who's in their PGDM as of now, try to understand even the real world scenarios. I wouldn't undermine the importance of book knowledge. It's great. I mean, books are your best friends, correct? Nothing can replace traditional format of learning. But having said that, alongside, keep yourself abreast with the changing geopolitical, economic, scenarios, what is happening, why, what policies are coming in. Because as MBA students, read Economic Times. We have forgotten to read. We just summarize. We go to ChatGPT. Please summarize today's news, and that's all. No, you will enhance your communication skills. You will enhance your knowledge, and that's about it. Be aware of what's happening around you. And also take, I'm repeating myself here again, but undertake a lot of case studies that will help you to get a mindset of analyzing the clients, of analyzing the businesses, and not listening to your clients. And more so, also I will talk about this in my talk as well, but you could take up courses like CPA, like enrolled agent, alongside your PGDM. I know it's going to be a little challenging, but having said that, if you are able to do it, it will give you your career a great impetus and give you a great launch pad into US taxation.